You are looking at Julien's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this bird, animal. There are two slightly different ways of pronouncing it depending on the accent. Let's say owl, owl. That's how the British would more often pronounce it, owl, owl. Now, in the US, it's sometimes pronounced also relatively similarly as owl, 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 or owl. Did you hear the difference? Let us know in the comments, owl or owl. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.